Hello, grade 9. This is section 11-6 surface areas and volumes of spheres. The sphere is the set of all points in a space equidistant from a given point is called the center. The radius is the segment that has one end point at the center and the other point on a sphere. The diameter is the segment passing through the center with endpoints on a sphere. Here, by looking at this picture, when a plane and sphere intersect in more than one point, the intersection is always a circle. If the center of this circle, if the center of the circle is also the center of the sphere, this is called great circle. The circumference of this great circle is the same as the circumference of the sphere. The great circle divides the sphere into two hemispheres. How to find the surface area of the sphere? The surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r squared, 4 circles, area of 4 circles. The surface area of the sphere is 4 times the product of pi and the square of the radius. By looking at this baseball, here the baseball can model a sphere. By thinking about this baseball, it has 4 circles as you see. Then the area of the sphere like the area of 4 circles, 4 pi r squared. Let's find the area, the surface area of the given sphere here in this picture in terms of pi. 10 meters, this is the length of the diameter. Then the radius is 5. Then by looking at this formula, 4 pi r squared, then 4 pi, the radius 5 squared, then the surface area is 100 pi square meters. What is the surface area of a sphere with diameter 14 inches? Give your answer in terms of pi. The diameter 14, then the radius is 7. Surface area equal 4 pi r squared, then 4 pi multiply the radius 7 squared, then the surface area equal 196 pi square inches. Earth's equator is about 24,902 miles long. This is the circumference of the Earth's equator. What is the approximate surface area of Earth? Round to the nearest 1,000 square miles. Since we have the circumference of the Earth equator 24,902, let's use this formula. The circumference, as we know, equal 2 pi r. By making a substitution, the given circumference 24,902, this equal 2 pi r. By solving for r, then 24,902 over 2 pi equal the radius. By calculating this, we will get that the radius equal about 3,963.28. By using this value, we can find the surface area 4 pi r squared, then 4 pi multiply the calculated radius 3,963.2763. Then we can find the surface area equal 197,387,017.5. By rounding this to the nearest 1,000 square, we will get that the surface area equal 197,387,000 square miles. What is the surface area of sphere with circumference 18? Round to the nearest 10 square inches. Using the same idea, we have the given circumference 18. Using the formula 2 pi r and making a substitution and solve for r, then the radius equal 18 over 2 pi, then the radius equal about 2.86. Using the formula of the surface area 4 pi r squared, then the surface area equal 4 pi multiply the calculated radius squared, then the surface area equal 103.13 to the nearest 10 square inches. This is equal 100 square inches. How to find the volume of the sphere? Since we said the sphere is 4 circles, then the volume is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Let's use this formula to find the volume of the given sphere in terms of pi. The volume equal 4 over 3 pi r cubed. The radius is 6. Then 4 over 3 pi 6 cubed. Then the volume in terms of pi is 288 pi cubic meters. Sphere has a diameter of 60 inches. What its volume in terms of pi? The given is diameter 60, then the radius is 30, then the volume equal 4 over 3 pi r cubed, then 4 over 3 pi 30 cubed, then the volume in terms of pi equal 1200 pi cubic inches. How to find the surface area from the given volume? The volume of a sphere is 5000 cubic meters. What is the surface area to the nearest square meters? Since we have the given volume, let's write the formula of the volume. Volume equal 4 over 3 pi r cubed. The given volume 5000 equal 4 over 3 pi r cubed. For solving for r cubed, by moving 4 over 3 to the other side, 4 over 3 pi to the other side, multiplying reciprocal, then 3 over 4 pi multiply 5000, this equal r cubed. To find the radius, we will find the cubic root of all of that. Then the radius equal about 10.607. By using this radius, the calculated radius, we can find the surface area to the nearest square meters. 4 pi r squared, 4 pi multiply the calculated radius squared, then the surface area equal 1414 square meters. This to the nearest square meters. Let's solve another question. The volume of sphere is 4200 cubic feet. What is the surface area to the nearest tenth? Since we have the given volume, let's write the formula of the volume. The volume of sphere equal 4 over 3 pi r cubed. By solving for r cubed after substitution, then r cubed, and as we said, we will move 4 over 3 pi to the other side, multiplying reciprocal, 3 over 4 pi. Then r squared equal 3 over 4 pi multiply the given volume 4200. To find the radius, we will calculate the cubic root of this given 3 over 4 pi multiply 4200. Then the radius equal 10.607. By using this radius, we can find the surface area equal 4 pi multiply the given radius. Here we will get that the surface area equal 1258 square feet. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.